Hey guys, how's everybody doing? Welcome to day 8 of this build. Oh my god, this has been long. So the motor's basically fully in. I gotta get my bottom motor mount in on the back side. I got my exhaust connected last night. I'm just gonna dive into it. I'm not really gonna be doing a whole lot of talking today. I'm just gonna be working. So we'll see how she goes. Alright, boys and girls. Finally got this rear transmission mount in. CPE makes an awesome stage 2 mount for this. I'm pretty stoked to see how it performs. Those bolts there going at 80 foot-pounds. So does the cross member one, and then I put this one here in at 70 because it does go into the subframe. Whew. So I got 2 more items to finish up down here, and then I can finally start putting the front of this car back on. Okay, I got the new oil filter on here and all the new rings and shit like that. Now I'm going to do the transmission fluid. So I picked up fluid. Then I'm going to put my new rad and AC condenser on my front clip there and get that back on the car. Get my axle nuts torqued on properly. And then shit, I should be able to put the battery in, get some spark plugs, and fingers crossed, this thing runs. So, see how she goes. Okay, transmission done. It's time to do the rad. Alright, so I got the new AC condenser and rad in. I wasn't able to show it. It's really quite basic. The rad has mounts on the other side that the AC condenser just basically slides down into, and then it's basically the same. See how the fan slots in on the 4 corners there? That's basically exactly what the AC condenser does on the other side. And then obviously the fan pops in there, and then the rad just sits in 2 rubber mounts on the bottom, and then it's got these little locking collars that to take it out, you just pinch and pull, and then you literally just push it all the way down in until those clips lock in place. All 3 of these clips. And you just push straight down onto the rad mounts, just like that. And now we have a brand new rad and AC condenser. We can come down on the fancy lift. Front clip is on. Yes. Fucking A. Okay, let's start running some wiring harness. Holy shit, car. You haven't had front wheels on you in 2 years.
Don't talk to your car, it's weird.
Don't talk to your car.
You're gonna get diagnosed by someone. A psychologist viewer. Now happy as stupid faces.
Tomato sandwich would be nice.
A tomato sandwich?
Tomato sammy.
That actually sounds really nice.
This sounds good. This good. Sourdough bread.
Is this what you want?
Yes, that is what I want. Torque spec?
For those?
Yeah.
155 Newton meters. Good stuff.
This is the good stuff. This is like the final stages of life.
Proud of you. That runs really good.
Surprisingly.
Yeah.
I just need to get that one coolant line.
Oh, right.
This main one right here.
One problem, two problems, clutch and water.
Yes.
Not bad.
No. Oh. Fuel line pop.
Did it?
Yep.
Oh, without your assistance? Alright, well, you got it fired up.
Right? I know, it's pretty cool, isn't it? I'm fucking
Minimal
stoked.
issues. Tell
Very minimal issues.
Tell everybody sitting on their toilets at home what the fuck what they missed.
Well, I disconnected this little pressure line off of the intake, and it decided to shoot my fuel intake line off of the high pressure fuel system while I was right about here, and it's about 12 inches from me. Gave me a nice mist of octane just to say thank you.
How about that? Carly boots.
Oh my god. This car is almost 100% complete. Holy fuck.
Getting ahead of yourself. You got a cracked windshield.
Shut up. Holy shit, this car's on the ground and done. Everybody have fun watching. That was quite an ordeal. It was a lot more work than I thought it was going to be. Had to fix and kind of adjust a number of things that I didn't expect was going to happen. But, I mean, it was a lot of long nights and some very stressful days. A lot of money spent. But, I mean, well, you guys can see, car is done. It runs and it's good. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed watching this fun ordeal of ours. Mike was a huge help here with all of his awesome shots. But yeah, until next time guys, catch you later. Thanks for watching.